gwapo nung dulo. Mula ng WBC. Gwapo mo, Kuya Marcos. Wala yan, traitor. Para tayo nasa blood control dito sa comment section natin. Joke lang.
Our tournament commissioner.
One day league action ng Santa Elena. Nahandog ng ating
Ian Opri.
Bulacan, Kapolonga,
Dilugo.
WB and Sophia.
Ayan. At siyempre sa ating official timer. At yan po ibigay mo. And
First ball possession, natatanggap dito ng ating WB and Sophia. The Baby Shark! Fire! Good. Rebound natin dito kay
Operation. Morta.
Nakawali pala ako doon.
Ano ang pinito nun?
Abeo yun.
That was the Beo, not Morta. 3-point shot, first advance dito ng
Operation.
Nugget, offensive rebound, Abeo. Nugget, bola magmamaneho, babalik dito sa ating
Balse.
Balse. Now another miss for the big fight, the up.
Di makina ang paa ni Gonzales.
4-0, Kapolonga. Fire from the outside, patay, si Lizardo, patay.
Balse. Yes, sir. Double shot by Balse.
Amor sa kanto, pasa kay Sobay Manila. Now on Mr. Paday, Operation.
15 seconds.
Gonzales, Kajapman, Sobay Manila, miss. Kapolonga back from Balse. Now from the mid, fire, Nugget. Down to number 22. Still for the Kapolonga. What a nice zigzag finish from his
Yes, double shot by.
Please follow and share our live. Napakagandang laban nito. One day league natin tuloy-tuloy lang ngayong araw dito sa Santa Elena.
Yes,
Kuya Morta, paayos naman ang ano ko parang sabihin.
Morta. Ito.
No good.
Kesmo.
Kesmo. Slide.
Olit.
Now find open. 3 points. Nugget from the Kapolonga. Takbo.
Olit. Nakuha ang bola.
Ole recover. Another shot clock reset from 14.
Lohanina.
Alvina.
Looking on three. Try to the angle.
Sabi dito ng ating
Yes, double shot by Morta.
kaagad nito yung
Abel. Abel pa rin.
Good.
That was a bell. Sinod yung uniform ni Morte. 276 viewer now kick out. Find another open. Bounce home to the iron. Ebenezer Shark. Back to Amor. Amor save it good too. The Baby Shark. Baby Shark attack. That was foul on the ground.
Ready? This ball to the right. Number 3. Again, ball to the right.
Almost 300 viewers. Please continue. Share our live.
First personal foul, Halina.
7-6 lamang ng isang Kapolonga natin.
Olit.
Olit, walang mapasahan. But still recover by Mr. number 11. Olit once again, back pass. Here now by Totoy Malinaw. Totoy drive. Back the ball. Nice counter. Ito na si Amor. Extra drop. Kay Totoy Malinaw. Manalo.
Nag-screen ka pa ha? Pinaksout niya.
Alright, ito na. 306 viewers. Please, paangatin pa po natin.
Halina, second personal foul. 17 foul.
Bukos para mataas ako.
Number 11. Now Amor. What the instant twist pass breakdown.
Yes, double shot by jersey number 19.
Ito si Abeo, ang balbaro ng WB and Sophia.
15 second shot by.
Number 19. Back to Bassett. Miss that threat. Rebound. Amor. Outlet. Ito na.
Bawi.
Start and Totoy Malinaw. Ito yung pinagsagang The Fast and the Furious.
Oo, laro video.
Dito muna yung camera. Pagalitan tayo.
Olive, slowly dribbling, making a play, bigay Halina. Back to Olive. Olive on the side, drive. Wala pa rin.
Isa pa ulit. Wala. Rebound. Amor. Good. Ito ba namin na? Malinaw. Pass to Mr. Tabarba.
Apero, trying to go. Yun, nakuha ka rin. Gonzales. Sumablay ka si Gonzales. Ito, napakabilis. Ayun, nasa ilalim na. Libre. Para sa jersey number 22, Sabocor.
1 point from the Capolonga.
Operasyon. Sa jersey number 16, Amor.
3 points from Vince. Alina. Alina ulit para dyan sa Capolonga. Tiny lamang ng isa. Alina. Pass to Olet. Olet gets out. Fire. Open. Ring.
Sabocor, try. No good.
Defensive rebound. Bababa ulit dito ang ating W3. Down. Get the back.
Malinaw. Or two.
Now we have a season battle, or we have a season battle para matangis na ba sa ating first quarter. Olet and mid, pass and fade, runs off.
Bante. Or two.
Parang siso lang yan. Siso, minsan, nagpapalitan lang ng isang puntos na kalamangan dito sa first quarter. Drop on here. Pwede nakaharang. Tumira na.
Yes, the 3 points got by Abel.
7 for this first quarter, under 5. Para sa
15 second shot.
Olet, pass to Basi, pacifier, green again. Great money viewers, makakating pa po natin, share, patuloy pa rin share ng live. Ito na naman sa pagpagyan na pero ang tibay talaga. Kailangan and pali, ayan ito.
Operasyon. Or two.
Operasyon, Mr. Piso, Piso. Number 29, Bowser. Pass to Olet. Dangerous pass on the middle. And recovered by the Capolonga.
That's it. Second shot.
Number 22 the scope is Amor. First to the jumpman. Totoy Malinaw, ISO. Pass to Cork. With Sark to deliver. Get back from the Capolonga. Now drop back.
Olive to Sabocor. Back to Olive. For two.
Amor pull up jumper. Pass to
Amor. For two.
bago player ng WBN sa Kuya. Itong si Amor, ang goma-goma ng Norte.
Substitution. Halina out. Huli. Coming in.
Shoutout po sa mga nanonood na pasok yung isang Amor sa Capolonga. May Amor din pala yung
Sabocor out. Loresto. Coming in.
Yes, protecting for Team Capolonga. Olet.
15 second shot.
Pass to 29. Look good. Olet. The left. Hook low. Rebound.
There's a result of foul committed by number 27. A holding foul. Huli.
2 minutes and 55 remaining on the game clock.
Huli first personal foul. 13 foul. That's 15 second shot.
Amor, another pull-up. This time. Foul. Lucky foul. Leo.
Substitution. Abel out.
Leo.
Montes coming in.
Montes naman ang ipapasok. Imaw Montes.
Montes.
Nagkakapulong na yan. Sino yun? Goma-goma. Ang Gomatics. Oo. Ang goma-goma ng Cam Norte. Pass ball. Tap by Pade. Operasyo. Pick and by Totoy Malinaw. To Montes. Montes to Amor. Balik
That's
ko.
15 second shot.
Amor. Pass to the Jumpman.
Last 7 seconds siya pa.
Pancho Albonia, shoutout po. Kami hinayang na shoutout po. Maraming salamat po.
5 seconds siya pa.
5 seconds on the shot clock. Extra trap kay Amor Goma. That was a shot clock dancer here.
Ulit.
By Amor. Now by
Kay Pante, nilabas ang bola. Try. Yes! For 2. Pante.
First quarter, 2 minuto nagtitira. Nakita natin, hindi pa ganun sila kainit dito, pero napakataas na po ng kanilang mga pulsos na ginagawa. Kontento, isang galang na ginagawa nila dito. Montes,
Last 7 seconds siya pa.
piso!
Obracio for 2. 1 minute and 40 seconds.
Piso kay Obracio, piso lang. Number 27, hold it, bounce it, babawi, basket!
Pante for 2.
May palitin ito si Balse, na kayang-kayang sabayan ito si Obracio.
Malinaw. Kaya Obracio. Hindi.
First from the Capalonga, that by Linaw.
1 minute and 10 seconds para sa ating first quarter. With a score of 21-17. Favored by Sophia.
Now number 11, Fires. Good. Dadaan dito sa tapat natin ito si Malinaw. Kinokontra ng kalaban. Yaku, Raso. Ball recover, pass to back pass, outlet pass. Here comes Balde. Catch it good, deliver.
Oli for 2.
Or 2 points. Mabilis na naman ang kabawi dito ng ating Kapalonga. Uulit ito si Balde.
Sa balaligira yun, mismo. Eto, kay Amor. Ano Obracio? Yes! Malinaw for 2.
Parang may spring sa paa. The jumpman, Totoy Malinaw.
20 seconds. 15 seconds siya pa. Ganda ng pagkakalipat dun. Basket! 5 seconds.
Here in the first corner, the baby shark.
End of the first quarter with a score of 23-22. A 1-point lead by.
Sa lahat ng mga umalis na, balik na po tayo. For the second quarter action. Here we go. Once again, for the Team WPS Sophia. Laban niya sa ating Kapalonga on the corner.
Basket for 2.
Policy. Get the first basket.
Lucero.
Or rather, that was Lucero. Here's the second quarter. Another drive.
There's a return to foul committed by number 13.
Bigyan natin ang pangalan si Abel.
Lopez.
Here was the Barbarian. Our gladiator, the Barbarian Abejo. First row. Here.
Lopez versus first team.
Camino. Saka kay Luis San Jose, always ang holding the lead ng Kapalonga. Philip Joshua Ito. Automatic boss Roel at Tyron Weber. Shoutout. Very good. Shoutout po ninyo. Number 5. Pass to Bausett. Step back. With a pull off. No good. The Barbarian. Abel. Get the rebound. Abel. Anong apelido na? Number 5. Here comes number Vega. Vega Pine. Under. Aurelio. Good. Anong apelido ng number 5 natin? Number 30. That's the back to
Yes. Lopez for 2.
The marksman to O'Hare, another side, hang time. The Barbarian didn't catch it. Good. Number 9, Lopez. Lopez checked it by Mr. Number 1.
JC Howell. For 2.
Looking for down. Turning Kapalonga. They're like 26.
10 seconds on clock.
Open for Gonzalez. Greedy ball.
For 2.
Lopez. Pass to Bounce. On the top of the game. Basket count number 5. Long jumper.
Miller. For 2. For 9.
Got an offensive rebound. Got a foul. Over now.
With a foul to the body, number 5. Miller. Miller personal foul. Second team foul.
Kapalonga for the lead. No good. Yun ang kay Abejo. Vega. Vega tries to drive. By Gonzalez. Gonzalez face. Abejo tap back from the last one.
Substitution, Basya. Olis coming in.
Shoutout sa iyo, friend. Marty Jesse. Hindi talaga Rico Vega, iwan mo sa akin yan. Please continue to share our live. Lalo na yung mamaya. It's more than Kaya nga watin talaga matatapos mo yun. Ang liga ito, mati na matibay. Down to number 40 WB.
10 seconds.
By Fornales.
5 seconds.
Kapalonga, baseline. Jumper,
Lucero for 2.
Lucero, once again. Look at hold it, right the cutter.
Oli for 2.
That was Oli. That was Oli, correct. Out of bounds.
Sophia.
Now it's a timeout call for the team WB and Sophia.
Malinaw. Talagang malinaw na malinaw. Nakuha niya yung Chicago. Nakuha natin yung Chicago. Yes, yun yung last one.
Pero ito na ulit sa Palonga, 5 number Oli Alice is by number 5. 3 by Halina. Last cover Halina.
Halina, try to the rainbow. Halina
So once again, for the Palonga, shots. Turnover. Balik pasa doon ng ating team WB and Sophia. JB Barbecho pa shoutout. Si Barbecho ba yun? Si Barbecho? Well, number 5, that was Barbecho. Salamat po. 3-pointers. Halina once again. Look
Olive, nakuha ang bola.
Ulit ang bola.
Looking to receiver sa gitna. At Jesmo sa ilalim. Yes! A 2-point shot by Yames.
Tumpo. Kailangan daw natin ng tumpo din.
Last set, second shot.
Oh, Doy Medina, underneath. Good back. Another try. Drifting. Down up on it. Up and down. Bola ba na yung sali ng Manili? And now by Perpetual. Recover. Pass to Padi. Fraction. Zamoranga now on the move. It's a traffic. That was a foul.
There's Rizal, what is it? It's a foul committed by number 5. Disquitado.
That was Lopez for 2. Now, Capalonga. There now Medina scoring once again. Now 6 points, a 7-point lead.
There's Rizal, there's a foul committed by number 11, Jesmo. Aguero. Alina, Puli, Alina.
Naman po ang Capalonga ng 7 puntos, 3:52. Second quarter for this one, the lead ng Santa Elena. Obrasio on the free throw line for Luke Season. Sila natin yung kanyang kapiso-pisong tira. Reload ba to? Wala.
Yes.
That was a automatic 2. Goal para Norte Obrasio. Behind back by Oli.
Olive to Jesmo. Jesmo. Try to the center. Pakalong shot. Wala pa rin.
Rebound and out.
Awal Gonzalez sa mga Manila.
And now by Oli, pass to Lopez. Lopez to Halina, or rather that was
Lucero, or 2.
napaka-basic din ang ginagawa ng mga Lucero. He had 8 points.
Disquitado, Eva Fraxo. Ego Reyes, harap siya, bumablay.
Back for the Capalonga.
Kuli, yang sila 27 sa gitna, Madarasa. A 2-point shot by Kuli.
Momentum score. The Capalonga, 7 points back. Front of the team Capalonga. Obrasio to Mornales, the marksman. 3. Obrasio, extra drop to Botoy Malinaw. Mga ginigiling na mga boss, mas marami pa silang mga mabigyan ng saya, matulungan. Lalong-lalo na dito sa ating mga kababayan here in Bicol. Maraming salamat po.
Kuli, try to the mo. May too short. Gonzalez.
Now big. That was a two-hit river. Offensive rebound. Obrasio. That foul.
Obrasio, or 2.
Bounce it out.
Valse.
Shout out kay Jaime Tolentino. Shout out Kabalen. Manyambut siya in Team WTN Korea. Without Pinso Kabalen, 2 minuto 40-43. Still Capalonga on the lead. Now for Roll. Roll it through. Number 29. Ball. Go. Rebound for Berbecho. Hey, Carino. Ito na. Take a shot. Lumipad. Carino.
Marillo.
Isang yan ng ating kapatid.
Pansin.
That was a foul said by the official for Obrasio.
Under the whistle, it's a foul.
Oh, another timeout. 7 points kanina yan.
Team Sophia.
Shout out po sa mga taga Cagbalete Island. Ayan, mag-ingat po kayo dyan. Sa mga taga Cagbalete. Please follow WP and Sophia. Maraming salamat po. Sa mga malalayong lugar na napadaan pa para manood dito sa ating live, please, paki-follow na po. Paki-follow na rin po ninyo yung ating WB and Sophia page. Salamat po na marami sa inyo.
Gonzalez.
No good. Roll the ball pass.
Uy,
And good for two.
yes.
Kevin Jones Lever.
Balse.
47-4.
Disquitado.
Back-to-back.
Carino. A foul committed by number 8.
Shout out!
Aragon.
MC Llanes. Yan, nanonood sa ating WC. Oh, that was Miss Bass. Now roll. Pick the ball! Court, stop that. Stop.
Under the whistle, it's a foul committed by Gonzalez.
Have a contract. Yung shots for Dueño. May kababasa yung kota, idol. Hindi na po siguro. Bukas na po kami pumunta ng basketball.
Gonzalez first personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Ryan Abo. Now fire. Henry got covered in goal.
Yes.
Good back set.
Carino for two. Balse. Harassed by Gonzalez. Last 3 seconds to play. Balse foul. And third quarter.
Set na pala. O, sa lang ng mga tumalpak na. Mga nag-scatter pa dyan, balik na pala. Second half, third quarter na po tayo.
Ojo, al-Alio Siakbar.
Kaya sa surprise, opening alley-oop pa.
Malinaw.
Yung ginagawa ni Totoy Maninaw, yung mga alley-oop play na yan.
They all it.
Balikan po yung mga nawala kanina. 3-point shot. Looking for it. Malonga, rebound. Totoy Maninaw. Push, pass to Morales. Pass to Obrasio. Offensive rebound para kay Paday. To number 19, Totoy. Tap through. Malonga. Nabitawan, Montes. Outlet pass. The Baby Shark. Sa kabila, kinuha. Basket count.
Gonzalez for two.
Okay, pataasin po natin ulit yung live natin. Ito na ulit ang magandang laban natin. 1 point back for the team.
Manila.
Ano na? Alina Mesa. That was the basket. The Baby Shark. Third. Now on Imao. Montes to Bornales. Bornales to step back. Bornales find it open. Baby Shark. Extra drop. And
Bornales for two.
nandun na. yung chemistry na tinatawag natin.
Trabaho na yan, plus 15 yan niya.
They're now playing one
Ano ba lang yung Olive? Jersey number 22, taking a play. Ayos sa and doon kayo kay Gonzales for two! Kapalanga!
Morales, Lima, Montes, Obrasio, and the pass in the period.
Kaya 49 out.
Okay, pataasin na po natin ulit. We were live here. We were live here at Santa Elena Covered Court. Dami tao pa rin na nanonood dito. Number 29. Matthew Cooley. 5 points WB.
Morales slowly dribbling, making a play, going to receiver, and on. Binigay to jersey number 5.
Montes trying to drive.
Abel.
Find Gonzales on the board.
Gonzales. Kaya pa rin.
Short offensive rebound. Push it to Montes. Extra up. Espacio.
Obrasio. Sa pila. Wala yung Obrasio.
On the glass.
Wala pa rin.
Montes. Yeah, that big
As there's a return to foul committed by
that was a shooting foul. Point.
Chesmo.
Para dito kay Montes.
Chesmo, second personal foul, first team foul.
Shoutout po pa rin sa ating mga nanonood ng ating live. Full live action. Dito sa WP at Sophia. What a big rebound by Obrasio. Now to Montes at pull up from the elbow. Wala! Yung best rebound natin. Pagkakataon ulit. Dito ng ating Kapolonga. Sabay baba yung 4 na lamang.
Olive, kay Cooley. Cooley try.
Shot again. Rebound by Totoy Malinaw. Malinaw to the very short attack. Morales.
Morales. No good.
Rebound. Out of bounds. On the corner, the marksman. By Morales. Piso, the champion. Still alive. Paano ka laban ka na? Ako nga.
Alina. All two.
Napakatigas ko. Ko'y pa to.
There's a return to foul. Attack foul committed by Alina.
Welcome, contribution.
Alina, first personal foul, first team foul.
Malinaw na malinaw siya yung ating man of this game. Still for the first. Got down. What a nice catch.
Good. All good.
Natin down on the middle. Huling. Para kay Huling.
Morales. O Gonzales. Kay Obrasio. Sige ka, nawala ang bola. Ito ngayon. May pansin ito ng Lopez. Yes, Lopez. Gonzales, jersey number 10. May Obrasio. Wala ang bola. So Gonzales. Obrasio, try. No good. Takbo pa rin yung Obrasio. Ito.
Focus na lang for the WB. The counter steal. Para
Gonzales kay Morales.
Morales still off target. Yung pana ng marksman dito mga
Substitution.
Pasok na si Dababa.
Montes. Substitution. Morales. Montigo. Amini.
Ito si Morales go out for WB dahil still an obligation.
Bache.
Sabad ka mag-video.
Montigo versus now second team foul.
Again, a happy birthday to our SK President, SK Gab. We're playing dito at 40.
Pre, hanapin yung kapustahan natin.
Santa Elena.
Ano kayo, Tim?
Mga taga Santa Elena dyan.
Hindi ko naman kilala kung sino kapustahan yung...
Gonzalez. 50, second shot. Gonzalez. Oh, wow! Gonzalez for two.
That was big short. 4 points. WB and Sophia. 3 by 20. Now on Bismo. By this ball. Down one from the double to against Sophia. Carino. Pass Abejo. Look at Carino for the offensive rebound.
Carino for two.
And if you look at that, follow through. Carino. Nakikita na natin dito yung pagkakaroon ng advantage. Treatment advantage for that shot. Wala kayong score.
Substitution. Lopez. Alina. Abigin. Montigo. Second personal foul.
All the way short, easy basket. Very short, another bypass, Apraso, extra back, by Carino, Apraso the good. Got the ball, covered by Ole. Out of bounds. Great one, drops it. Nugget. Third. There was a bit of disadvantage.
There's a little foul with the line number 11. Just ball, you got fourth personal foul. Warning. Substitution. Just ball. Vila. Abigin. Opraso. Acedo. Gonzalez. Espitado. Substitution. Olive. Loresto. Abigin. Yes, for two. Ako kaya ng Loresto.
What a great Amor catching good.
Yes. Amor for two. Lorenzo. 140 seconds.
Alina. Bababa ulit yung bola. Diyan sa ating Kapolongga. Now the multi-jumper. Barbencho pass to Carino. Now a more loses the letter.
Montito, Alsucion, Olive, Acuni,
Shout out po kay
Lopez, Saningin.
by Jonel Almasan Jongko. Shout out Jasper Mark Luis ng Boyong. Shout out po pag pinakagwapong Santa
15 seconds shot clock.
Pandayo, Solid na tao. Ornales, nakaharap. Number 60, Baras to Carino.
Carino, for two.
Kanina eh. Carino, Mas Abejo. Yes, Dan.
50 seconds.
On the floor. 3 big men on the floor. From the TWD Asaquia. Inside Vega, underneath line.
Vega, for two. 30 seconds.
Gol, defensa! Rocky Barber. Here comes now by Barbecho. This is our Santa Elena 1J League for birthday. Our SK president here in town.
Here we go to the final quarter.
Now on the final quarter. Sino man nanalo dito sa unang elimination round ng ating 1J League. Bornales, take the slices. Pass to Barbecho.
Number 5. Isigado second personal foul. Yes.
Across the Kapolongga, 13 points. Great shot.
Salvador. Last man, second shot, Texmo.
Barbecho. Now to Amor. Pass by the Kapolongga.
Last 17, second shot.
Oras natin, grade 29 in the afternoon. Ito pa lang yung laban ng WB. Siguro, isipin na natin magkakaroon ng bawat isang pupunan dito ng tatlong panalo para sa championship na siguro yun. Hindi natin alam yung score pa nila na nagawa nila dito. Or this one is there. Pero with advantage na siguro yun sa tatlong panalo. Tackle! First to Vega. Vega na unahan sa bola. Dito ng Kapalonga. Yesmo. Yesmo Farm.
There's a foul with the line, number 14. Bornales. Bornales first foul. Second team foul. Last 15 seconds. Base for two.
Super got a balance, outbalance on the air, still get a basket for two. Nice pass.
Vega for two.
Eh, parang naging dati lang ba? Ito si Abeo, si Vega pala yung tatapos ng basket. 2 minutes na tayo here in the final quarter. Full jumper again. Ball back from the WBS. Another outlet. Amor takes the third over. Pass to Vega, back to back.
Vega for two.
Vega Licious get the back two. Fight shot. 78-63. Babaw na ng tuluyan, ano? Yung ating WBS. Back from the WB. Amor. Run away quickly with the double behind the back pass to number 5. Barbecho. And Amor.
Team Tio Santa Elena versus High Five Montalban.
On the game clock. Number 5, Bornales. Still one from the 3 by the marksman. Bornales. Now Bornales to the number 11. Yesmo. Look at how big the ball is ilalim. Recover by 4. Look at that big bad guy. He can bring down the ball with safe back on his team.
Aguero for two.
Big advantage talaga. Referee nakaharap, tumahan. Scoring from 3 from Johnson. And that down the lead. Number 5, Barbecho answer from 3.
Baba.
Safety. Shot still off. A lot of try by Marksman. Still off.
Vega for two.
Vega. Laro dito ni Rico Vega. Base. Out to Oli. Pass inside the 4. No good. Amor.
Sina. Safe na, safe.
On the game clock. Now it's down in 19 points for the WBS Sphere. Kick out Vega. Vega moving. Pass to Amor. Corner. Yes, sir. 20.
Amor for two.
Push, push! Push, push! Time out tayo. Huwag tayo foul. Number 5. Kick.
Last 10 seconds shot clock.
Go off. On the more. Save. Rebound. Teka! Foul. Ulit mo. Pakase. On the left. Well said. They're now only managing the block. The down.
4 minutes. For the final quarter. Medyo nakagawa ng rito na maayos. Ang Team Sophia.
Second. The second half, revenge by the Team WBCPI. Talagang hindi na sila nagbigay ng pagkakataon. Nabigyan pa ng hulinga yung kanilang makakalaban dito sa first round of them. And one that is only a lucky 3 to our marksman. And that was a from 3. Gordales.
Time out! WB and Sophia.
Shoutout daw kay Ate Sophia. Shoutout po, Sir Alan Canada. Magandang hapon po sa inyo. Bring it 16. Oh, God. We're looking WB and Sophia for their first
15 seconds shot clock.
dito sa ating
Last 10 seconds shot clock.
one-day league. I think
Boston, 02.
Stop. Eh, mga kunin yung
Last 10 seconds shot clock.
mamaya mag-sino yung challenge natin. Sigaw natin. For a more.
Last 10 seconds shot clock.
Shoutout sa inyo. Item
Last 5 seconds shot clock.
Kaya yan, isang set lang na maganda.
Last 2 minutes.
Congrats. Maglalaro din po kayo sa Bangkok. Hindi na po siguro this is a one-day league.
Last 15 seconds shot clock.
May mga nakakalungkot po mga kalaban.
Last 10 seconds shot clock.
At may mga taga-Montalban, Laguna, and Bulacan pa. Number 2. Number 27. Tony, back to Bate. Easy lang. Oras.
Last 15 seconds shot clock.
Kuya John! Shout out! Easy lang! Kuya! John Disquitado. Kuya John, shout out! Kailan ka babalik? Ayan, J. Lopez, tama ka! Mukhang settings na nga yan.
Alina, 02.
James Machon, shout out! Nakapalo po ka. Maraming salamat. Please continue follow us. The Fast and the Furious!
Alina,
Dynamic duo ng Team WP.
45 seconds.
Baby Shark and the Chapman. Totoy Manila. Totoy Manila. Easy lang! Hindi na natin pwedeng Hindi natin napapili kung sino yung best player natin dito. Ikaw, Kuya Mota.
Gonzalez for 2.
Sa tingin mo, sino yung best player natin?
Base for 2.
Yes, Totoy Malinaw.
Yan yan. Si ano?
Si
Si Base.
Si Base. Sa katabi ka bumase.
Dunk!
Sakit si Dom.
Medyo kinapos.
Okay, this is an obvious victory. The game won here.
Congratulations, WB and Sophia. 104-75. Yes, ang mag-aalaman po sa ating